In this video, I'll show you how to change your Google Ads account name so it's easier to identify, especially if you manage multiple campaigns or clients. Start by signing in to your Google Ads account and clicking the Tools and Settings icon in the top navigation bar. Under the Setup section, select Preferences or Account Settings, depending on your interface version. Look for the field labeled Account Name, click the Edit or pencil icon next to it, then type the new name you want for your account. Choose a clear and descriptive name, such as including the brand or region, so it's easy to recognize later. After entering the new name, click Save to apply the change. This update only affects the label used inside Google Ads and does not impact your campaigns, billing information, or customer ID. Subscribe for more honest digital marketing tutorials.